Pumpkin and chickpea tagine. Prepare the ingredients. Slice the potato into 3mm slices. Chop the pumpkin into 3cm cubes. Dice a tomato. Dice the onion. Finely slice the garlic. Chop the chili. Cut 2 fine slices of lemon rind. Preparation is now complete. Add 1/4 cup of water to a tagine or saucepan. Add the onions and cook for 2 minutes. Add the garlic. Add the chili. Add the lemon rind. Add the cumin. Add the ground cinnamon and saffron. Stir mixture and add some more water. Cook for 3 minutes. Add the potatoes. Add the pumpkin. Add the tomatoes. Add the chickpeas. Cover with water or vegetable stock. Cover and cook for 25 minutes. Remove the lid and add salt and pepper to taste. Squeeze over the lemon juice. Top with coriander leaves and serve with cooked brown rice.